Alright, so you've been looking through fashion reps, checking out all the nice pieces, and then you find a Taobao link for your item and click it. Now you wonder, what the hell do I do now? But don't worry, this video will be a step-by-step explanation on how to purchase off Taobao by using the agent Wegobuy. This video will be catered to people with all levels of understanding, so if you are already comfortable with some parts of the video, I will leave some timestamps for you to skip to the part which you're removes the language and shipping barrier that comes from ordering off Taobao, and then provides an intuitive and easy system for you to check the quality of the goods purchased and various shipping lines to then deliver the item to your doorstep. In essence, what Wegobuy allows you to do is submit a Taobao link of an item that you would wish to buy. You would then be able to add the item to the cart and request Wegobuy, have the agents buy the product and send it to the Chinese warehouse. The products will then arrive at the Chinese warehouse, and then you will be able to submit the order for international delivery and confirm the order so that it arrives at your doorstep. If you haven't already made an account, use the link in the description or the code in the comments to sign up for a free 288 yuan coupon gift bag. Once you've clicked on the link, it will bring you up to a sign up page where you can fill in your email, password, and verification code. To get the 288 gift bag as seen on the screen, simply confirm your email address and it will be in the coupons section of your Wegobuy page. Once you have completed sign up, you would be directed to the Wegobuy homepage, where you can first see a very beautifully designed website, and the first thing you want to do is change the language to English and the currency to US dollars. From here, you can check out the website's other features. If you click the My Wegobuy tab, you will be brought to a home page, basically, for your account. From here, you can see stuff like your shopping cart, which is currently empty, the orders that you have made before, and items that are in your warehouse right now. You will also be able to see parcels that you've made before in the past, and also the state of your account, as in how much money you have put into your account. This may seem confusing, so now I'll be purchasing an item in real time so you can follow along. Firstly, find the Taobao link of an item that you would like to be purchasing. In my case, I would like to purchase this ring from MRCYC. Copy the link and paste it into this big search tab in the Wegobuy homepage. Click Buy It For Me, and you will be redirected to the same item page, just all translated to English on the Wegobuy website. From here, you can see that all the details from the Taobao page have been converted to the Wegobuy page. All the details have also been translated to English, and the prices have been updated from yuan to USD. Furthermore, if we scroll down from this page, we can see that there's product details. These product details are also further exported from the Wegobuy page, but anything in Chinese will be translated to English if it is text, and pictures and relevant size charts will be shown for an accurate reference of the item that you are going to be buying. From here, we can select the size and the different variations for the item. In this case, since it's a ring, there's only different colors. So I'll be clicking the silver option. Once you've decided that everything's good, you've selected the variation and the item that you want, you can choose to add it to cart or buy it now. Only click Buy It Now if it is the only item you'll be purchasing. If you will be purchasing more than one item, I suggest you add the item to cart, and you would see it will be dragged along to the shopping agent cart. From here, we can check out, and we will see all the items that we have in the cart, including the total amount of money that we have to pay. In my case, USD $4.56. We can press to submit the order, and this will take us to an order confirmation page. From here, we just have to choose our destination country. In my case, this is Australia. We can also view all the items that are in our cart, in this case just the ring for me, and we can also choose to add additional services. Wegobuy offers a variety of additional services. including detailed photos, which if you click will allow you to request close-up pictures or photos on specific areas of the item for you to quality check or check for the branding. Please bear in mind that Wegobuy automatically sends you free quality control pictures for free. However, these photos will not be very close up and will only give you a general idea of what the item looks like. Thus, paying extra for detailed close-up photos is sometimes very valuable, especially if you are purchasing a more expensive replica. Under this bar is a request tab where you can make a request for Wegobuy to negotiate with the seller. You can use this request tab if, for instance, the seller will optionally ship out extras such as a box with branding or any tags or features that might not be given if you didn't make the remark. From here, if everything is good, we can submit our order, and this will redirect us to a pay page where you can pay using a variety of different methods, including PayPal, international credit cards, or balance. I suggest that you top up the estimated amount of money that you're going to be spending into your balance, as this will significantly decrease the handling fees and the PayPal fees given in the checkout. So I will be paying for this order of US $4.56 with my balance. I will click Pay Now, and this will redirect me to a page where it says that the payment has been completed. From here, if you would like to check the progress of your payment, click View Order, and you will be redirected to your shopping orders page, like I mentioned before in the video. This will now showcase your new order, for instance my ring that I've just ordered, and it will tell me that the order is pending. From here, you can check out a lot of different things about your order. Firstly, it will tell you the progress of your order, either order pending, order purchased, or shipped local. You can also check further order details by clicking on this link, and this will tell you exactly at what stage it is in the purchasing process. You can also cancel the order through this button here and request further detailed photos. Now, I mentioned that Wegobuy offers free photos for quality control. These photos, for an example, are photos like this, where it's just free standard photos from a pretty far away angle. To check the shipping of your order, simply click the Check Logistics button that will appear once you've ordered the item and the seller has shipped it. This will redirect you to a page where it shows the logistics info that you can translate to English and view the current progress. Alright, so a couple days have passed and you can see that I've ordered a couple extra items, mainly another ring and a pair of shoes. But as you can see here, the ring that I originally bought in this tutorial has now been stored in the warehouse. Once it has been stored in the warehouse, you can also view the inspection. This inspection is mainly just free photos that show a brief idea of what your item looks like, as we can see in these photos. Now that everything's done and you see a stored in warehouse status for your item, we can now submit our parcel and ship our haul. We can do this one of two ways. The first way is done by clicking this parcel submission button here. Once we've clicked that, I'm just going to open this in a new tab. It will redirect us to the My Warehouse tab. The second method is simply by going to the sidebar and clicking the Warehouse tab. This will bring you to the same page. And once we're here, we can simply select all the items we want to ship out. In my case, that's 28 items. They're going to tell us an estimated weight. In my case, that is around 14K. And we're simply going to press Submit Shipping. Once you've hit the Submit button, Wegobuy will redirect you to a Submit Delivery Order page, where you can enter the address for your shipping. In here, it's above this page, but I've chosen to hide it. and the available shipping lines. So for me right now, since my haul is so big, the only shipping line available to me is EMS, and the shipping cost will be 130 USD, which I will be selecting. Once you've selected your shipping line, you will then have to declare an amount to put for your parcel. Now, this declared amount basically only depends on how much you're actually shipping. Say, for instance, if you're only shipping like 3 kilograms of items, only declare it to about 30 bucks. For this example, I will be declaring about $80. From here, we can choose a number of different optional and available extras that are free that we can add to our parcel. This can include brand tag removal, package removal, and simple packaging. All of this stuff is optional, and it's only if you want to decrease the weight of your item or have less chance of it getting seized by customs. So I'm going to select all 3 of these services. We can also check the items that we are going to ship and the individual weight. All the way at the bottom, we can see that there is a typing box for any special requests that we can have for our parcel. This may mean if I've selected the brand tag removal or the package removal, I can click here and I can type the order number for one of my orders, specifically if I wanted to keep that box for just that one order. So say for instance, I wanted to keep the box for my Balenciaga SSS, I will copy this number code starting with a W, and I would say keep packaging for order, and then the code only. Yeah. So for this order, I'm not going to be doing that, so there's nothing that I have to do. And after that, you can see that there's a transaction tab on the right hand side of the bar. From here, you can select to deduct credit or any coupons that you might have. Right now, I have no coupons available to me right now, but if you simply enter my code in the description below or use my affiliate link, you will be given 288 yuan in coupons that you can use to discount your shipping order. And then there will be a tax warning. Accept this, and then you'll be able to submit the delivery order. Once again, I suggest that you check everything is correct, such as your address, the items that you're shipping, and any value-added services that you want to submit before submitting this. Once you've submitted that delivery order, you'll be redirected to a checkout page. This checkout page will be similar to the checkout page that you are familiar to when you buy an item, and this is just paying for your shipping amount. So as you can see here, my shipping amount is US $129, which I am going to be using with my balance. Which I am going to be paying with, which I am going to be paying for with my balance. So we're going to click pay now, and that will tell us that our package is complete. So here you will be directed to a page that just talks about how the shipping process works. You can read up on this, or if you just want to check out on how your parcel is going, you can simply click this link here, My Wegobuy Parcels. To do this, we simply just go under our name and click My Parcels. This will redirect us to a parcel page and tell us about the shipment that we just made. So from here, we can check the parcel number, the shipping cost, the shipping line, and the status. To check the status update, just click Parcel Details, and it will tell us what stage of the process it's in. Any tracking number that will be given to your parcel will be updated here once the parcel has been shipped. All you have to do is wait for the next business day for Wegobuy to actually send it to the shipping line, or wait a couple days for this info to update. Once that's done, simply wait the quoted time by the shipping line, and then the parcel will arrive directly to your doorstep. So that's it, guys. The full process from buying from Wegobuy. Be sure to use my referral code in the description below, or as mentioned in the video, to get your fat discount off your shipping fees. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to leave a comment below saying that you enjoyed it, and also any suggestions for future videos.